Since yesterday, after the analysis has been made, the price has reacted as it was expected. The price has retraced back down to 3942.63 as support level after the price has created a strong bearish candle the day before that. The price has retraced back up to 4021.78 at resistance level, and from here the price has retraced back down, reaching lower levels where the price has reached also 3884.09 and then bouncing from this area of support. The day has closed as a bearish candle with a larger wick on the lower side and a little bit smaller wick on the upper side, which is just showing that there is bearish sentiment, bearish market, bears pushing the price down, reaching lower levels. But we can see also that the demand zone here around this area of support at 3942.63 is a strong one, and it has not allowed the price to reach lower levels and close the day below this area of support. It has just confirmed that this area of support, where we have 3 wicks here reaching the lower levels on these 3 candles, also on the daily time frame, which is that showing that this is an area of support where the buyers are waiting and preventing the price from going further down, closing the day below this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame, yesterday, after I have made the analysis, the price has formed this bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame candle, where the price is continuing to lose its value, reaching lower levels where 3893.85 on the 4-hour time frame support level has held and retraced the price up, reaching again this area of resistance, a daily resistance, and currently acting as a support because the price has gone above this area of resistance 3942.63 and it has reached the next resistance on the 4-hour time frame 3979.35. From here we can see the price was trying to move down, which means the bearish moment, the sentiment that has pushed the price down yesterday and also the day before that, is here waiting for the price to push down. We can see that, but also the demand zone, the buyers are waiting at this area of support. So this is the fight between the buyers and the sellers on the 4-hour time frame. If we take a look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the prices behaved yesterday. Here the price formed a bearish breakout yesterday on the 1-hour time frame and then continue to lose its value. We can see for several hours where the prices reached this area of support on the 4-hour time frame and then retrace back up. We can see the price continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout. We can see that here, reaching the target as a next resistance level, and then from here the price had problems going further up and retrace back down. Here is the bearish sentiment pushing the price down. We can see it was not allowing the price to go above this area of resistance and then push the price down, trying to move the price again in the same direction like in this example, but the bulls are waiting here and there is less strength from the bears pushing the price down, so the bulls have pushed the price with the next candle, a strong one, which has closed above this area of resistance. After that, the price continued to rise in value to the next area of resistance 3979.35, and from here From here they have exhausted their power, and also the selling pressure that is still active above that has pushed the price back down again. We can see that a large wick on this candle on the 1-hour time frame, and currently it is right here trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of support on the 1-hour time frame. Now, after this, what I have just said, what we can make as a conclusion, what we can expect today. First of all, I am waiting outside of the market to see how the price will react around this area of resistance and in this area of support, and especially this one, support, because we can see the price was trying to move down. The buyers are not allowing the price to push down, and we have here a sellers not allowing it to go up. So it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support and resistance, and when the price makes a bearish or bullish breakout, we will continue and follow the market. Like in the example yesterday, when this bearish breakout has happened, we have followed the market in the same direction, at least to the next area of support, when this strong support has lost its value and it has been broken. The same scenario, we will wait on the next attempt. Also, feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join to receive these premium updates during the day when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts. So feel free to check and join other traders. On the 4-hour time frame, Similar scenario, these are the resistance, these are the support that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to move in any directions. On the daily time frame, what we can make as a conclusion, currently the price has reached a strong support, which will be very hard to make a bearish breakout going further down. So it's very important to see how the price will behave. What is very important is this bearish candle that has closed the day below the open and close price of these candles and also of these candles, which means just showing that there is a strong bearish sentiment pushing the price down. So it will be very important to see how the price behaves around this area of support today and also around this area of resistance around 3983, which is 3979.35, precisely this area of resistance that is currently on the test. Will it hold or it will be broken to the upside? So for now, it is the best to stay out to see how the price behaves. Is this strong bullish sentiment currently on the verge that it will be completely broken, where the price could return back down even further, where 3845.81 is the next support that the price could reach, but before that, again, to reach this area of support like yesterday that the price has reached around 3885. Stay out, wait for a clear signal, then follow the market and pick up the profits. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.